Hi guys, Eden here from Try Ko Lang Recipes, and for today magluluto ako ng sinampalukang manok. Now for the record, this is not the first time na magluluto ako ng sinampalukang manok. It's just that na for today, I'm going to use the Sampaloc mix powder because I used to use the bunga ng sampalok, but since na hindi kami makahanap dito sa palengke, so gagamit na lang ako. So I mean, this is the first time that I'm going to use a sampalok mix for this dish. Okay, for the ingredients, so meron tayong kamatis, bawang, sibuyas, luya. Meron din tayong sitaw, kangkong, labanos, siling haba, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and this is half kilo of manok na hiniwa na pang tinola. Then, gagamit ako ng patis na as panimpla. Then, since wala akong chicken broth, gagamit lang ako ng chicken broth cubes. Okay? So, before we start cooking, guys, I invite you to please subscribe to my channel, Try Ko Lang Recipes, for more Filipino dish recipes. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. Okay? So, yun lang. And let's start cooking.